Train noses. Train noses are the front parts of the train that often get damaged due to accidents, wear and tear, or exposure to harsh weather conditions. HJ Custom Composite was a small company that started with just a handful of employees, but it had a unique approach to fixing train noses that soon made it stand out in the industry. Unlike other companies that use traditional methods to repair train noses, HJ Custom Composite creates custom-made repairs that were stronger and more durable. The company's founder, Henrik, had a background in composite engineering and had always been fascinated by the potential of composite materials. He saw an opportunity to apply his expertise to the train nose repair industry and started HJ Custom Composite with a vision to revolutionize the way train noses were fixed and painted. At first, HJ Custom Composite struggled to find clients, as many train companies were skeptical about repairing and preferred traditional replacement methods. But Henrik persisted and worked tirelessly to promote his custom composite unique approach. Slowly but surely, HJ Custom Composite began to gain recognition, and they gained 95% of all passenger trains in Sweden. The train companies was amazed by the result and immediately placed in orders for more composite repairs. Word about HJ Custom Composite innovative solutions started to spread, and soon they were getting orders from train companies all over Sweden. We continued to refine and improve their methods, always pushing the boundaries of what was possible with composite materials. Today, HJ Custom Composite is a thriving company with a team of skilled engineers and designers who are dedicated to providing the best possible solutions for train nose repair and composite designs. Henrik, the company's founder, is proud of what he has achieved and believes that HJ is just the beginning of what is possible with composite materials.